Hey guys, there's been a lot of questions about our electronic fan kit. I just kind of wanted to do a walkthrough and show you guys what we got going on here. So this is my 2017 Tacoma. Right here you can see we got the controller set up over here, wiring down through and around the battery. There's the inline fuse, wiring to the fan itself, fan arms holding the fan. You see the sensor wire runs all the way over here and splices into the system over here. We have this preset for my truck. You can see these 4 dials. Those are how you set your starting and ending temperature. Starting temperature when it commands on about 15%. Ending temperature is when it's at full command, and everything past that stays full command. You can see this system sits really nice inside the housing, back from everything. That's an OEM validated fan. And I'll step in, spark up the truck, and show you how the override command works. So as you can see, currently the fan is not running because the engine is not up to temperature. We have a single white wire coming out. I exposed it so you can see this is connected to my switch panel, 12 volt activation. It's just a simple 12 volt command. We have this pre-set up to be 12 volt setup. And when I come inside my cab here, on my switch panel, click my fan command. And my fan starts to spin up. Then we just go over, undo the fan, and it's back off. So that's kind of our kit. Pretty simple setup, easy to uninstall if you choose not to run anymore. If you have any questions, hit me up in our thread on Tacoma World. Thanks guys.